a great nation. In a very special way, allow me to pass very special congratulations to the women elected governors of the Republic of Kenya. In this election, the people of Kenya made yet another historic decision. From the 3 governors that were elected in 2017 that are women, we now have 7 women elected as governors in the Republic of Kenya. And I want to say congratulations to the women of the Republic of Kenya and to those who have been elected as governors. Very special congratulations to Fatuma Achani, elected governor of Kwale County. Very special congratulations to Cecily Mbarire, the elected governor of Embu County. Very special congratulations to Anne Mumbi Waiguru, the elected governor of Kirinyaga County. Very special congratulations to Governor Faith Kawira, the elected governor of Meru County. Very special congratulations to Avinya Ndeti, the elected governor of Machakos County. Very special congratulations to Gladys Wanga, the elected governor of Homa Bay County. And of course, very special congratulations to Susan Kihika Mburu, the elected governor of Nakuru County. To all these great women, we wish you well as you take over the responsibilities of governor in your counties, and to all the other governors that have been elected in the Republic of Kenya. I want to say just 2 things.